What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Jermaine Gaines here, coming to you with a video. Okay, this is gonna be one of the videos out of many that I'm gonna be sharing with you all. That's gonna show you how to repair your own credit. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to repair your own credit. You got to get excited about that because I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube which is very helpful. Hopefully, the information I'm gonna be sharing with you all gonna be helpful, but the very first thing you need to do when you repair your own credit is, especially if you disputed some information in the past or you had someone to dispute some information on your behalf in the past, the first thing you want to do is call Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, which I have all the numbers in the description below, and tell them that you would like all dispute comments removed from your credit report. That's step one. All right, step two, you need to go to LexisNexis and SageStream and get those files froze. Freeze those files, which I'm gonna have them links in the description as well. And after those steps, then we can start working on getting your variations of your name, your addresses, and your telephone numbers and past employees. Then we can start working on getting all those removed first. That'll be the first thing we get removed before we start removing all the negative past files or credit or charge-offs or repos or whatever the situation is. But those are the first steps you need to do first before you do anything else. So if you all feel like that I'm sharing this valuable information, or you like the information I'm gonna be sharing with you, please hit subscribe below, and next to subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications, because I'm gonna be posting videos every week. Once a week, I'm gonna be posting videos, so you do not want to miss these videos that I'm gonna be sharing, because I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how to remove tax liens, bankruptcies, charge-offs, repossessions, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? It's possible. It's not easy, but it's possible. You just got to have a little patience, because like I said before, it took years for you to get your credit in the situation it is now. So it might take months or a year or years. I'm not saying it's going to take that long, but it could take a while for you to get it back in a situation where you can have good credit. So all I'm asking you is to be patient, and I'll be showing you all my credit reports, let you all know that I do have decent credit, which I'm in the 700s, I guess, right now. I have to check it, but I'm going to be in the 800s. So let you all know that I'm doing my credit myself. Like I said, I have issues in the past, which I don't mind telling you all. I had bad credit. I had repos. I had charge-offs. I had all kind of things. But one thing I told myself is, once I fix my credit, I promised God that I would never get back in the same situation that I got in before. So with that being said, if this information is going to be, if you think this information is valuable and you think it's going to be valuable for you and any of your family members, please hit subscribe and tell anybody about my YouTube channel, and hit the notification on the right so you can't miss no information that I'm going to be sharing with you all in the next upcoming weeks. So with that being said, God bless you all, and I'll be seeing you soon.